This video is going to teach you how to play food chain checkers, a game based off of an aquatic food chain. So let's meet the organisms involved. Dietohms. These producers are some of the most abundant in the world's oceans. Dietohms are a type of algae and are a part of the phytoplankton. They float through the oceans and make their own food by photosynthesis. Copepods. These little animals are first-order consumers and part of the zooplankton. They belong to a group of invertebrates called arthropods and are related to shrimp. Copepods are found in oceans worldwide. Herring. These fish are second-order consumers. They're common in the North Pacific and North Atlantic oceans. When eating, they swim with their mouths open to catch zooplankton like copepods from the ocean water. Orca whales. Orcas, aka killer whales, are third-order carnivores and the top of this food chain. They eat herring and many other animals. Because other animals do not eat them, orcas would usually only die of natural causes, if they were not affected by humans. Okay, let's play. So, in order to play, you need your game board, game pieces, and enough data table papers for each person playing. To start the game, every player is going to put 3 of their game pieces anywhere on the board. Doesn't matter if it's on a yellow square or a black square. We're going to start with the lowermost trophic level and then work our way up. So first is diatoms, then copepods, then herring, and finally orca whale. Now that all the game pieces are set, we are about to start. So we're at round 0. So go ahead and fill out your data table with the number of diatoms, copepods, herring, and orca, which should all be 3. During your turn, you have 2 options. You can either move one of your pieces to any adjacent open square, diagonal, left, right, up, down, whatever, or you can jump over a prey in one of those adjacent squares. If you jump over your prey and eat it, first you remove that prey from the board, and then, because you were able to get enough energy to reproduce, replace that prey with one of your own tokens. After the orca's turn, that means the round is done. So everyone take a break, count up how many of each organism is left, and update your data table before you move on. If you've run out of food or you're too far away from it, you can just move to another square. This might be a good time to run from your predator. If you want to jump over a prey item, but it would make you jump off the board, that's okay, you still can. As long as there's an open space on the opposite side of the board, you can place your game piece on any of those open squares. Have fun, and don't forget to update your data tables.